Okay, so I start by wetting my legs with nice warm water so that those hairs can get real soft. I go ahead and wash my legs as normal. You want to do this before you shave because if you use any soap afterwards, it will possibly hurt, aka irritate your skin. Now my favorite part is scrubbing with this Treehut scrub. Treehut is the GOAT. I just got this watermelon one and it was so satisfying and it smells so good. I think it's my new favorite. But I grab just a little bit with my nails and I pretty much scrub until I don't feel any more of the sugar or the little beads, I like to call them. Once I don't feel that anymore, I will rinse it off. But I scrub for a good amount of time within whatever area I'm going to shave in. Here I'm showing you there is a very clear difference of the leg that I'm scrubbing and the leg that I'm not scrubbing. The leg that I'm scrubbing looks a lot more glowy and I'm getting rid of all that dead skin, dirty skin. It just helps so much more to be hygienic. And then of course you do want to rinse it off. A lot of people get this confused on my TikTok. They're like, do you rinse it off? Do you shave with it? No, you do not shave with the scrub on your leg. Always want to make sure you rinse it off before you go in with that. And then I grab my oil. I love this oil so much. I see people use baby oil, but this just gives you an instant glow, and the glow doesn't go away when you shave. It's my favorite. This is from Shea with B. I love this razor so much. It's the best. But here's a little up close shots. As you can see, I shave upwards. I shave against the grain, and yeah, the oil doesn't really go anywhere. It kind of soaks up into your skin, so it just keeps the hydration, and you can just keep going over that spot over and over and over again. And I've never ever cut myself with this oil. That's one thing that it does do very well, is it does not cut your skin. Here I'm just showing you the entire process over again with my thighs, but I do this all over my body where I'm going to shave. Actually, no, I do this all over my body regardless if I'm going to shave. But do you see how much glowier my right leg is versus my left? You cannot tell me you don't see that difference. It looks bomb. And here you are. Do you see the difference? This is the leg I didn't shave and the leg that I did shave. It's so glowy and smooth. I don't know. I just love looking at the difference because I did not touch my left leg, period, in this video, and they just look so different. Now time for the body butter. I'm sorry, the lighting in this bathroom was terrible. My leg was so glowy in person, but I couldn't find out how to show you in there. But here I am just applying it. I use a generous amount and I'm going to rub it in thoroughly with both my hands. But trust me, this feels like heaven. My legs literally felt like a baby's butt. So I just want to address a couple of things that I wasn't able to address in the video that you just watched, which was me demonstrating how I shave my legs. But of course I don't only shave my legs, so I want to like talk a little bit more and then talk about the other parts of my body that I didn't address in the video. One thing that I do want to make clear is that that routine will help diminish your strawberry legs. If you don't know what strawberry legs is, I will show you, but I have on jeans. But They're basically like, as you can see, I have some. See how like a certain angle, this is strawberry legs when you have little dots from shaving, and mine are showing right now because I don't have any lotion or anything over it. But over time, this routine will help you diminish your strawberry legs, which is when you exfoliate, you use an oil to shave, and you hydrate your skin immediately after shaving. This is 100% true. There's days where I don't have any strawberry legs. There's days where, you know, I haven't shaved in about 2 weeks for the sake of this video. So my hair was like a lot thicker, so it's not gonna go away with one shave. But if you're very consistent, which I shave, it might not be realistic, but I shave about every other day. My legs, my armpits, yeah, the things that I shave every other day would be my armpits and my legs. Those are body parts that I shave every other day, no matter what. But as far as like the exfoliating and body butter routine, I do that every single day, which is why I have really smooth skin. I do shave my arms, my belly, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. As for my bikini area, I do get a Brazilian wax every 6 weeks. That's personal preference. I've never been comfortable shaving down there ever since I like hit puberty. I've never been the type who wants to shave down there. It just never works out for me. I think I've done it like 5 times my whole life, and then nope. And then I was doing nair for many years. I used to nair down there, and that is so bad for you. Please don't do that. Like, it would be irritated, it would burn, but it would look nice. So I would just accept it. And if you don't know what nair is, it's a cream that you put on, you let it sit, and you wipe the cream off, and the hair comes with it. But it's basically essentially burning that hair off. Like, it's pure acid. It's the worst. So then I started getting Brazilians when I was like 18. I've been getting them ever since, every 6 weeks, and now I have like no hair. Like, even right now, I have an appointment next week, and it's like nothing down there, but I'm still gonna go. But I do exfoliate there still. I exfoliate there every day, and especially right before, because it just keeps it smooth. It keeps you from getting ingrown hairs, just like when you shave your legs and everything else. But other than that, I really do not touch that area. I just prefer to get a wax. If I would wax anything else, I probably might start getting my armpits waxed. Yeah, that's all you really need is to exfoliate. Use an oil, use a razor. The razor that I use, I do have a code for. This I've had for a while, but it did come with like 3 different heads. It is all metal. It's great for the environment. I love it because it has a little curve, so you can just like get up. I don't know. I really enjoy this razor, and it has 3-4 blades. I don't know much about razors. I really just used to grab them and go, but I've been using this one for months, and I really like it. It's from Shea with V. It has a little symbol right there. This oil I really like. I like this better than any shave cream. I like this better than conditioner. I like this better than soap. As you can see in the video, it leaves my legs very glowy, very smooth, very soft, very hydrated. And it helps with strawberry skin because you're giving yourself the ultimate hydration. You're using oil and you're using a lotion or a body butter right after. You don't have to use a body butter. Anything that will be very hydrating, which is like a hydrating lotion or a body butter for after when you shave, so that you'll be very hydrated. If you guys are curious, this is the body wash that I use. It's Method Body from Target. I really like it. It's natural, it's not strong. I mentioned this in my haul, and I have tried it 2 times, and I'm obsessed. I love it. Cannot go wrong with these scrubs. They are the best. They are my favorite. You guys know, like, this is my holy grail for shaving because you just can't go wrong with them. And yeah, these are all things that really work well for me personally, for my skin type. I am very active with posting my routine on TikTok. If you want to follow me on TikTok, I post these a lot more. If there's any questions that you have that I didn't answer, I tried to answer most of them. Comment them down below, please. I'm trying to think as I talk about what maybe I didn't mention. Like I said, I shave every other day. That's just my preference. I think the more long of a gap you have in between shaving, you're more likely to have strawberry skin, ingrown hairs, whatever. I'm pretty like up to date with it. And even so, if I'll take like a while, like it took me 2 weeks to get my hair to grow as long as you saw it to grow. So like my hair does grow very slowly because I'm just on top of it all the time. So it has stunted the little bit of growth that it does have. But I think that's as specific as I can get because I can't really think of anything else. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. But if you enjoy videos like this and you want to see more, please make sure you thumbs up this video, comment down below, and subscribe for some of my leak in your life. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.